Okay, this is breakfast time. At my house, I have my China Prairie sprouts ready to go here. My fine chop that I made last night in this nice little KitchenAid thing. Super easy. Take it off, put it on, put it in. It's got 2 speeds. Then you're good to go. And then this is my chunky chop, which I just made it last night, so it's a little wet, so I always put a paper towel in it to absorb some of that. So this chunky chop goes in there to make this. And then I have birds who like chunky chop, so that's these 3. And then I have birds who like the fine chop, so they need some of this and some sprouts and some of this omega, what is it called again? Bean fatty acid blend. Because, yes, I am a big biodiversity bird blends fan. And some tea. And I throw that in there and put in some sprouts. This is actually my umbrella cockatoo's bowl. And she likes it fine, where all the other cockatoos like it large. And everybody else gets small. Everybody else just likes it small. So, and then sometimes you can just throw in a few big chunks for fun. The avian teas. Let's see. Taming the Flame. Return to Peace. Sounds like a good plan today. Mix a pinch of that in there. Put the veggies in there. Put a little pinch of this in there. Burp, burp. Good to go. Looking pretty. I just got to do that times 8 now. So that's the plan. I also keep my butternut squash and any fruit that I might use separate and cut that up and put it in at the last minute so that it doesn't get gushy or mushy. And I would recommend the same thing with peppers if you're using peppers at that particular time. This has broccoli, kale, carrots, Brussels sprouts, purple cabbage, fennel, cauliflower, all organic. Can't even remember all the other stuff. All right, have fun.